How to open an account on ANZ Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open an account online on ANZ Bank. So to do that, first of all, open the ANZ Bank app on your mobile device, and once you've done that, simply tap on the option open an account, which is on the bottom side of your screen. After that, simply select the account which you'd like to open. So you can open an everyday account, savings account, home loan, credit card, or personal loans. So for my case, I'll simply tap on the option everyday accounts. Now, once you've done that, simply review the account details and benefits of all the accounts. So for now, I'll simply choose the everyday account. Now, once you've done that, tap on the option open this account. After that, you'll have to enter your details such as your full name, your date of birth, your mobile number, and your email address. Now, once you've done that, tap on the option next. After that, you'll have to basically verify your identity. So you'll have to verify your driver's license, your facial verification. So you'll have to scan your face. After that, you'll have to upload your identity documents. And once you've done that, tap on the option submit. And once you follow all the steps provided to you, you'll have successfully opened a bank account on ANZ Bank. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.